Have you ever just played Ringworld and thought to yourself, man, I just wish that there was some cosmic force that would keep me from progressing in the game? Oh, that red centipede! Don't you just wish you'd have no ability to read anything on screen?
16 configure controls for player? What?
Fresh for a second there.
Stop!
Are you the type of person who wants to walk away from an experience with your ears completely violated with utter nonsense? Oh. Would you like to take a roll of the dice every 30 seconds, with each event being dramatically worse than the other? And only to end the cycle in a bunch of cards which you can collect that will make the game entirely different for better or worse? No. You mean to tell me that you don't want any of that to happen in your average Rain World experience? Well, you can go
Yep.
Okay. Oh, find the. Wait, what did it say?
To Rivulate's campaign.
This is a mistake. Custom.
Custom.
In all caps.
Locked. Our stamina meter's locked, dude. Showing level thumbnails, awesome. Yet another thing. The year Rivulate's campaign, and I'm yet another thing.
I am reveal its campaign. Is it every time? Oh. Yeah, you're still yet another thing. How's many look like? Oh.
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 Invert horizontal axis.
Oh, here we go, here we go. Lift off in T 10 seconds.
10 seconds.
No. Ow. I think I need to refresh my stream manager. Hold on. Boink. Okay, there we go.
Oh god.
Did we just wait? I was looking away. Do we just launch like every now and again?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, hold on.
You're fine.
There's something I need to do first. We should like change colors. Okay, I clicked GOG. Oh wait, I'm white. I'm still white.
Only your tail has changed. Okay.
That's all right. That's enough to distinct from each other. Oh, let's see. What do we get? Rainbow cat. We're rainbow cat. Let's go.
I love Nancat. Okay. Yeah, I know I game fresh for a second there.
Stop! Stop!
What?
No, did you read the text at the bottom?
No, what'd it say?
The text at the bottom was just in all caps what appeared at the end. It said, "Stop! Stop eating!"
Oh,
Again?
amazing.
Try not to think about it. Maybe it'll go away. Did we just hiccup?
Oh yeah.
Left button.
Left button.
Okay, maybe we should hibernate.
Legacy. Pick up.
Okay. What is this? Drain life? Whenever you deal damage to other creatures, you restore food points based on damage. That's gonna be really good though. Wait, grinding teeth? Gives us like the ability to maul.
Invisible spear.
Oh no, that doesn't mean you can eat. You can just maul. Oh no, that won't be good though. Look at that. You won't be able to like throw straight. I feel like drain life is where we should go, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Spear is also really good though. It adds 2 other spears on top of your normal one.
No. Slugcat will randomly explode, which stuns everything around it. Timer can be seen at the top right before explosions. I think that'd be... No, but we don't die. It, like, stuns everything else around. I think that'd be kind of funny. Oh well, then let's...
What? Info overload, what's that?
I don't know what this means.
Wanna try it? What's a Halcon Pearl?
I don't know.
Let's see what it is. I wanna see what it is.
Alright, exit.
You're coming with me. Hello. Hello. How are you doing?
Hello. Huh.
Where do you find all these?
I'm huh. I am literally just huh.
You're hello. What are you talking about?
Oh, I thought I said huh. Oh no.
Oh,
I feel
come
like
on,
I've-
something cool.
Water rising.
Oh, the water. The floor is blown.
We need to eat it first.
The floor is water.
The water's going to rise. Why is my arm like why do I look like that? Bro, look.
Dude, stop it.
Why do I look like what's his name? Wobbuffet. I look like Wobbuffet.
You look seal. Dude, let's just go to sleep right now.
Alright. Introspective clock. When triggered, stores Slugcat's current position in time or cycle time. When triggered again, it teleports Slugcat to its stored position and sets the rain timer to its restored value. Oh. That's cool. I'm not sure if it'd be helpful.
What's the right one? Shocking speed.
Shocking speed. Dangerous electrical discharges tend to also confer mysterious speed boosts. Huh.
Huh?
I don't know what that
There's
means.
also morning worshippers, which is also good.
Yeah. Oh, hello. Sorry. For some reason these like the chat takes a long time to update whenever I'm using my phone. But hello Dragon Breath 9. The suffering it's suffering. It's insufferable, but
Sucker.
let's just do worshippers. That sounds the most beneficial. High caliber. Reject. Hold on. Which one is? Oh yeah.
This one, please. I love it. I love it. Yeah.
Yes. Let's do it.
The best one.
Oh no.
Lock.
Gotta go fast. We're fast. Oh no. Run! 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 Run!
Left. Left.
I didn't mean to stab that thing. Oh, even this is random.
Unlimited. Something lurching a flourishing outcropping.
You know what? I kind of like not being stunned every time I eat food.
Same.
Don't think we can get that. Oh, what have you done? Wait, hold on.
It's
Oh.
the fruit.
Grab me, grab me.
Oh, that's. Oops. Wrong. I thought it was.
Free gun. Kills. Oh no. Run! Run! Get off of me. Oh no. Okay, at least I have food now.
Get in there. Get in there.
No, we're good. We're good. We're good. We need to get some food, so I'm gonna go ahead and. Let's go back. Let's hope the kill squad is gone.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Monk style gates for all campaigns.
Oh wait, I can actually see it. Tap the jump. Or tap the jump on right.
Challenger,
when...
challenger,
oh,
oh
oh,
no.
oh, oh, oh! It's the aquapede.
What is that?
It's centipede, but water.
Can I breathe on land?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Yeah, it's dead. Too many mushrooms. Oh wait, hold on. Bat. Here you go. We're good. Just don't. Yeah, let him do his thing. Oh no.
Oh
I
God.
think it's right. Okay. All right.
That's awful.
Quit it.
My tail.
Gonna whip you with my tail.
My tail's like getting sliced and crucified. Noodle hands.
What is noodle hand? Oh yeah, double. I think we should get I think we should get orbital rail cannon strike, guys.
Yeah. Let's do that. Mirror.
No. No.
Uh. Yeah, I know that's awful. That's an awful thing.
Yeah, I guess we gotta do this one. Cyan Zap just means the cyan lizards do not charge up whenever they dash. They just dash.
Okay, let's double tap this.
This mod cannot be used due to requirement issues. Check the following additional mods installed if and don't have their own. It's possible to hibernate with less than sufficient food. Please sign to
And it's a PlayStation.
PlayStation? I haven't had these many viewers in a
I
while.
got one viewer.
What did I just do to you? You merged inside of me. What?
Huh? I was not paying attention.
Yeah, I can see everyone's messages now. Although you will hear like a ding. I can turn that
Yeah, that's okay.
I'm sunken peer. Hold to eat, swallow objects 3. Please, a moment of your time to finish.
Time to finish.
What? Where do these texts come from, bro?
I have no clue.
Oh no.
Access all creature.
The pack.
The pack.
Some believe their behavior learned from scavengers. Wait, what? What does that mean? Pack of lizard. Yeah, they're not appearing though. That's the thing. By the way, in case you guys are curious, I'm sunken peer now. Wait, what are you? Hold the map button.
No clue.
And send all
Send all
creatures.
creatures.
We must send all creatures. That's actually so funny. Sorry, bro. I was hungry. You ate all the lizards?
The Zors are eaten.
That's so real. It's like super ward. Oh.
Extreme heat. Huh?
Oh, even the text is melting. Oh, no.
Oh. God,
Oh.
this is awful. We at least got food.
Yeah, eat the food before that melts. Oh, God.
Jeez.
It's like someone punched my screen and this is what it looks like.
Well, this is.
This must be pleasant for the
At least
viewers to
I
watch
guess
as
you
well,
can still
actually.
See some stuff, right?
What happens if we tame the artillery cannon? Like the literal artillery cannon that is that brown lizard. I put the verb up under the hairdryer. No! Do not put the verb up under the hairdryer.
Oh, what's happening?
You threw a rock, I think. Okay. Hey. I'm going to tame the artillery cannon.
What does Spear Master mean?
Spears spawn everywhere.
Oh.
Hey you. Eat this.
You're back to normal.
I need to tame this guy. Oh no. Second chance, a never-ending cycle of pain. Only triggers when actual dead, might take a few seconds. Wait, did we just have a
Oh,
second
so
life?
Awesome.
Cool.
Not killing.
Oh! That scared me. That scared me a little bit.
There you go, buddy. Eat it.
Okay, we need to go. He's kind of... don't think we can
Yeah,
tame
we
him.
need to, it's about to rain. It's about to rain.
Move! I'm gonna stomp him down. Move! I'm gonna stab him if he doesn't. Actually, no, that's not a good idea. Move! The rain is coming.
Right.
Okay, let's just go back. Yeah. Before any. Oh, friend! We have a friend now. Okay, let's go.
Remember when it was melting in here? Ah, nostalgic.
No. This is almost like it was 5 minutes ago. It's not even. I don't know why I said 5 minutes. Like 1 minute ago. Oh. It's fine. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Bestie. Oh no. Sunken Pier will clutch this. Don't worry. Oh. No! Oh.
Oh! Holy fuck.
We live. Alright, let's go.
Clutch.
I don't think we're gonna make it. We're not gonna make it. I hear the rain already. Whoa, upon ye, moist. Yes, the moist be upon ye. Alright. General. Breathes underwater or moves to the world with ease. These adaptations essential line. You'll be pitted against the world with increasingly frequent floods. Where it's oh, this is talking about Revulate's campaign. Oh, hello. You cannot fit in there. What is he doing? What are you? Wait, hold on. What's your name? Stop! Okay, damn. Oh.
Ooh. I got a thingy.
Oh. I got a rock.
Awesome.
Hold on,
Why
that-
don't we throw this thing at this lizard?
Oh, that's the pearl. It doesn't do anything.
There you go. They like it.
He's not gonna eat the pearl. Oh,
Yes,
wait,
he
what? Huh?
Are you riding him?
I do not know what just
Oh.
happened.
Like, you were riding him. Goodbye. Like,
Oh, I missed.
Scary.
Ooh, I got him in the throat. Ooh. Yeah, you ain't running.
I have a rock.
No. What have you done?
Let's try to dodge it.
Oh, that easier said than done. Okay, I think we have what it takes to go through here. No. Wait, this doesn't look like the right gate.
Yes, it does. Just upside down.
No, this doesn't look like the right gate. Why is it so dark in here? I can't even read that. Oh. Thanks, title. What have you done?
Ever scanning options data.
Gray world.
Oh, it's fine. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Please? I think it
What
killed
was
it.
that?
I think it... No, it hit him.
Yeah, it hit him, but it didn't die.
Okay. I got this. I'm gonna go talk to him like a man. Where's this bitch at? Air this bitch out! Alright. Shoot, give me that. Oh. Rainy day. Let's go. Oh shoot. Can I not grab this thing?
I need to eat one more.
Okay.
Yeah, go.
Yeah, rain is coming. Oh wait, let me eat. I need to eat.
You're max. You're max.
Oh no, you eat too. Come on, quickly.
I'm coming. Hold on.
Oh,
Okay. Let's.
he broed. Come on, get more. Okay. Retro. Oh. Okay.
Pick one.
Thor's
power. What's Thor's? Oh no, stone thrower. What is stone thrower?
Stone thrower. Stones deal 1 damage equal to survivor spear, but spear damage is halved.
Dude, stones. We are.
No, that will kill us. That will kill us.
Oh no, they'll kill us.
That will kill us. No, that.
What's
You
Thor's
know,
power?
when buff is triggered, summon a lightning strike, which converts all spears in the current room to electric spears. Only can be. Yes. Singularity snail. No. We've learned from that. Food lovers like I can only pick up. No.
No.
Okay. Well. Well. Never thought I'd see this card again. What do you think?
Yep. Okay.
All right.
I'm still going through. I'm still a
Oh, the vulture's coming. He retreated. What are you doing?
I don't know. If the vulture comes back, he'll get a face full of stone. Guess what?
Wow.
Alright.
Ow. There we go.
Okay. Here you go. Oh,
Nice one. Eat your damn veggies, bro.
fine.
He's coming down.
Oh, hungry. Oh, lizard. Come on, fucking.
Oh!
die.
Oh, help! Help!
I'm coming.
Well,
Jump. Watch out for the fucking rock.
oh! Yeah, watch out for the. Oh! Watch out for the lizard!
Watch out for these nuts.
Ooh, in the throat. Oh, shoot.
You help. I stabbed a rock. I stabbed a sword into him or spear.
Oh, shoot, I missed. He left. Oh well.
He'll die. Don't worry.
It's like one shot. You don't have a spear, do you?
I have a pearl. Oh, hello, Pink. Let's see if I actually can hit it if doing this.
Did you just hit yourself?
Yeah.
Got him!
Rainy day.
Gotcha, bitch! Oh,
Rainy
no.
day!
Oh! There's a spear right there. Oh.
What? No.
Uh-oh, chat. Come on. Follow him. Follow that lizard. No. We have airdrop, don't we? Or, yeah. Or not airdrop, So...
Orbital cannon, rail cannon strike.
Hold on. There we go. Go, 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 go. I had binded the button.
Look at my name.
Spear. I'm gonna throw you. Jolly co-op.
Might throw the spear, but I might throw the rock. What? Aperture science? Companion cube?
Oh! Run! Wait. Okay. Okay, thank God. No! Let's not throw rocks anymore.
What does that orange thing do?
This is a very highly volatile like war instrument. Let's just not throw rocks because there's a chance that this will detonate, and you don't want it to detonate.
Wait. Oh.
Oh!
Oh.
Why does it have red eyes?
It's evil! EXE! Run!
Oh! Wait, whoopsies. Annual scavenger convention. Oh yeah, I forgot these. Let's go up, actually.
Timer on it at the bottom right.
What does that say?
I don't know.
I think I read
Well,
karma.
What? The bottom right. Is it what's the timer before the card gets used? Did you throw it?
I threw it. I kind of thought it would like just halt at some point. I didn't think it would go all the way off the map.
My leg is shaking because of you now. Look.
The sonic boom was too fierce.
Is the no get the fuck back up here. Is the orbital strike gonna come down or what?
I threw it like all the way to the right. It's not coming down at least where we can see it. Let's get someplace.
So 2, 1, 0.
Wait, can I use it again? Oh, I hit it. Oh, it died.
Ooh.
What was that? Boom.
That's me eating the thing.
Bro, you swallowed. What? Oh,
cool.
no. Where? Okay, random place, I guess. I hope this stays in my hand.
What we're doing.
Oh, if I just throw this right now.
Don't. Dude. Bounty hunter.
No, we gotta do Spearmaster. We have to do
Oh,
Spearmaster.
darn.
It's so much better.
What's the middle one?
Oh. So I got, yeah.
Oh.
Snail missile. Pop snails will fly towards a player and pop one in No. Combined with a nuke? No. Let's do this one.
Ooh, hello. Where are we?
Stop! Get out! Start expedition with the joke rifle.
Joke rifle.
What?
What the fuck is a joke rifle?
That is insane. Okay. Oh! Hello.
Oh, my goodness.
What? Wait, do those things have like?
Fellow scientist. Oh,
Oh my God! No, come over here. We need to pop these.
Freeman,
Second chance. Oh, okay.
the new HEV suit. That should be very useful.
Oh, run. Oh wait, yeah, eat that. Okay, go.
Test chamber half an hour ago.
Oh wait. We might have made a mistake coming here.
Mistakes are just another word for silly.
Spearmaster. Okay, so that's what that does.
Oh, I see.
Alright, we've made a mistake coming here. We should not have done
Okay.
this. No, I don't think you
Oh.
realize what spawns frequently in this area.
I thought we still had your geographical issue on still. Okay, never mind.
Hello there.
Oh no, did you hurt it?
No, I didn't.
Hello, good to see you.
I just love that it plays. What's his name? That scientist,
Kleiner.
Kleiner. Oh, it's an albino one.
Oh, I know.
My goodness.
Yeah, don't. I think you know the deal with them, right? Don't hurt them. They'll probably take your spear, but it's better than drowning.
You were supposed to be in
Oh.
the test chamber half an hour ago.
Oh,
Okay, we kind of just teleported to the very end of this area, actually. What? Wait, what? This is actually amazing for us. Should we shelter before anything bad
yeah,
happens?
yeah.
I'm just gonna grab the fruit
Ooh,
anyways.
new
While
chat
I'm...
member. Hello, Kairos Dragon.
Hello there, Kairos Dragon. I can't see what you're saying,
Well, not new, but like.
but I bet you're saying something really cool and epic. And I commend you for whatever you're saying. On chatting,
we're talking
gamer.
about bottom and top because
Oh.
that's your health.
Oh, okay. I thought you meant like the position. I was like, oh, what an insightful conversation. Oh no. I'm glad we sheltered. I sure hope the game didn't break by doing desolate dive. Oh, I meant to flip it.
Wow.
Both of
they're
these are
all
terrible. Slug cat does not sleep within 20 seconds to next cycles. Oh, so we just have to do it for... This is a one-time thing.
Okay, yeah.
That gives us, like, how much time? Like, 2.5 minutes? I think that's alright.
Mhm. A near on
Custom.
spears hit. 100 spears hit. Oh my god.
Hunter Spears hit. Alright.
I could have eaten those, but okay.
That's okay. I haven't know.
Yeah,
Wait,
I am
I'm-
bottom in your job. Yeah.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you're the top HP, and I'm in the bottom HP.
Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, I totally forgot we can craft spears. Do you want to go that way?
Go through.
Alright. If you say so. Oh, there's a timer. It's ticking.
You can down.
You sure you want to do this?
Mhm. Oh, I see. I see why it's bad.
Oh, yeah, no. Yes! Yes! Oh, my life has been saved! I killed it? Question mark? Hello? Okay, there's another. We need to keep on going. No, don't fall in there.
No, if you've forsaken me.
I failed to jump. We do
Yeah,
actually.
please save us.
We have like 120 seconds left. By the way,
Oh. No.
do not go that way. That's worse.
Steam
Okay.
manager not initialized.
I don't know what to do, chat. That going there is worse, but we're kind of stuck, are we?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This music's good though. Oh, hello there, friends. Oh, they're not friends. They're mad.
Oh! The explosion saved my life. Okay, let's go. No, okay.
Have fun with that.
Both of them are angry at me.
Why?
Okay, I killed one.
Awesome.
Ow. It's okay. Oh, he's not angry at you. Oh, wait, do CPR, do CPR. We're gonna explode. Wait, no, we're going to explode. In 15 seconds, actually. We're gonna die. The fatal explosion comes very quickly after.
Okay, I'm actually please. If it's going to be 15 seconds, then hey buddy, just don't mind me.
You don't want to see what it looks like to explode? Oh.
I was
Okay.
trying to explode him.
Let's just eat and go back to the shelter, like, immediately. I don't have a pearl on me. Okay, we have to go down, actually.
I think I might have a pearl on me. Hold on.
I know you just got all the way up
Pearl?
here, but we need to go down, because down here is actually a pearl. Unfortunately, where the big monster is. Right here.
What happened to the all pearls being swapped with the...
Well... I can't find the pearl anymore. I can't... Problem, the pearl is gone. Oh, teleport! 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 Okay, we need to find... We need to find another pearl. There's a pearl right there. Piece of history. Maybe you haven't heard this one. Oh, did it give us pearls? I think it gave us pearls.
Did it?
Hold on.
Pearl.
Pearl! Okay, we got like multiple pearls. Okay. Oh, we're gonna explode! We're gonna explode in 30 seconds!
Oh.
We're alive?
Thank you. Oh, fucking scavenger.
How do I even get over there? I hit him in the eye. Yes. Okay, I stole a spear, but it's for the good. It's for the greater good. Ow! I said Rivulate. This is like the Artificer, but like shittier. She doesn't know how to explode properly.
Oh, please. Don't do that.
Stop, please.
The
Don't do
game
that.
hates us.
They really don't want us doing that, chat. Okay, I'm just gonna go grab the pearl and then like dip. Hopefully not explode. No, don't do that.
That's me, that's me, that's me, that's me, that's me.
That. Oh, where are you going?
Oh, this is me.
Yeah.
I thought... I'm so dumb.
Oh. Okay, well, where can we get food? Okay, let's go back up. Let's go back up. Let's go back up. Let's go back up. Please. That just attracted it.
Ah,
Wait, what? No, it didn't. Wait, what?
I see.
Okay. Okay.
I killed the scabs. Uh-oh.
Alright.
I set
RB.
them to death.
Oh no. Get away. Get away. Okay, we... Okay, so we just need to, like, eat these things by dipping them in water. Let's just not, like... Let's not get too close to the snails. Because you remember what the snails do, right? No, the baby! Oh wait, 17 seconds. No, we're not making it.
I have an idea. Weather forecast.
Oh.
7.1 minutes. Okay. Oh, this one's blue.
They're all blue.
No, this one's like lighter blue.
Oh, oh, no, 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 no. No, what's happening? You're alive. It's okay. I don't know what to do.
Come on.
I don't know what to do.
I just want to skewer you first.
We're gonna explode in a moment.
Or not.
Yeah, we are. Oh! Run! Oh no! Wait, where do we go? Let go of me!
To the left.
Let go of me! We cannot go to the left.
Go with me.
Eat
Let's
this.
just let the right people on the right just fight it out.
Here, eat my. Oh wait, no, don't do that. Eat my bubble. Hit X. Or grab. Yeah, there you go. Eat it. I don't know what's happening. I think that's me again.
So many scabs died.
I died again. Oh, he's gonna eat me. It's okay.
No, I died. You're alive.
Oh,
Come revive me. See
I
me.
can't. Not with that thing there.
Isn't it dead
No, it's alive.
from the nuke? Oh.
There's so many scabs. Yeah, you're gone. Oh, I'm top, so I can rest. Oh. Kind of forgot that was there.
Then go a different route.
I can't go a different route.
Oh, 3, 2, 1.
We're never gonna do this. This is actually really difficult. I didn't think how short 20 seconds would be.
200, not 20.
Or not 20, 200. Eat those.
Oh, my gosh, I beige.
Oh. Okay, so the bubble should pop. Here, I got you one. Now we just go. Take us to the shelter. Thank you. Wait,
What?
Oh, it's random. Wait, no, oh, it's because it's rising. Grab me again, yeah. No, that's pink. Okay, I thought that was red.
It's red though. Oh, no, it's just a really reddish pink. Okay.
Oh.
Is it drowning me? Dude.
And they need to make a breakaway. Wait, where'd he
Like-
go? Dog, he just died. Okay, pick me up. I still hear him. You might need to go the other way. Oh, low gravity. Thank God. It's in your favor. It's in your favor. Yo!
Oh, too high, too high, too high, too high.
Come on, you got
Me
this.
eating the mushroom.
Come on, quickly before it wears out. Thank you. Okay. What's with
Oh,
that
it's,
thing?
It's above there. That's a. That was the lizard.
No way.
Wait, hold on. Wait, what?
Wait. We win!
We made it.
We are not doing that. Wait, what is that? Electricity will chain between creatures until it runs out of charge. No, but we can't because remember we can only carry one item. That sucked. Hold on, let's look at this one. Oh, we need to wait for it to go back to the top to read it.
That's a lot of reading.
When triggered, it immediately clears the player's positive and temperature and transfers all of it to other nearby creatures. Oh, that won't affect us. Let's do Bounty Hunter, shall we?
Yeah, Bounty Hunter. Bounty Hunter! What do we got?
When Slugcat sleeps in a den, it will wake up in a random den in the same...
Should we?
Or random rain. I feel like this is better.
Yeah.
No, but we're in like the best den to like get out of this place actually. Oh, that's fine. Rainbow Cat.
Rainbow.
Okay, I just realized we don't have any. Oh shoot! Please.
We left. We escaped. Uh-oh.
Am I exhausted? Is that thing just yippee at us?
Is he dying?
Ow! What?
That trickster. Also, our rocks don't do the thing anymore.
What's... Do we have a stamina bar? Wait for it. No, no, no. Explode, explode, explode.
I did that. I threw the rock to this explode us, yeah. That's me.
Help. Oh!
What happened?
Ow. Can you come down here?
Do I want to come down there?
I'm gonna die. Like my body's gonna run
Wait,
cold.
why is it not being the fucking lizard? There we go, finally.
Oh, I'm gonna die. Oh.
No.
What are you
Please don't throw
doing?
us up anymore, man.
What is bro
alive.
doing? Oh yeah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Super time only moves. Wait, wrong game, or is it? Oh, time slows down whenever you're okay. Now try to res me. Oh yeah. Oh no. Okay, take me to another room. Unless you think you can do that. Do you think you can do that?
No.
Oh wait, you can craft your spear.
I'm trying to run. I'm constantly being passed out. They're sharing me with each other. Okay.
They're gonna grab. I feel like that is a good stopping point. We got decently far.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well.
If any of you guys want to try out these mods for yourself, I have all of the notable ones linked in the description. And until then, I will see you in the next video.